So after you connect your LinkedIn account, the next step is to set up your posting schedule. Just click on Set up your schedule. Now you'll see two main steps: creating your content pillars or narratives and setting up your posting schedule. Pillars or narratives are basically your post themes, the types of content you'll be posting. To create them, you can use our AI by entering your topic, audience, and goals. Or, if you prefer, you can create your own custom pillars and narratives. Once that's done, move to step 2. Deciding which days you want to post. For example, I'm choosing Monday and Thursday. For Monday, I'll pick a theme and add a posting time of 10 a.m. Then for Thursday, I'll do the same. So now we're posting twice a week, Monday and Thursday. Click Save Schedule, and it'll automatically create post slots for you. Once those slots are generated, you can click Generate on any slot to create a post based on its theme. It just takes a few seconds and generates a post in your writing style. Or, to save time, you can click Generate All Posts at the top right, and it'll create posts for your next 2 weeks instantly. Once that's done, you can review, edit, or even regenerate any post. To add visuals, like a carousel or graphic, click on Create. You'll see your favorite templates. Just pick one, and it'll open the editor in an AI-guided way. The AI will even suggest content ideas based on your post. You can tweak it, make quick edits, and then hit Add to Post. Your visual gets attached seamlessly. Finally, when you're happy with everything, click Approve for each slot, and your post will publish automatically at their scheduled times. One last thing, if you want AI to write in your own voice, make sure the Match My Style option is turned on. To enable that, just upload 3 to 4 of your own posts, and you're good to go.